I know that even you guys are struggling to draw this kind of complex reference photos and you wish to draw clean and neat outline like this. No problem, I got you. After watching this video, you will definitely draw this kind of reference photos with ease. So watch the video till the end. But before continuing, if you found this video helpful in any way possible, I hope that you guys will give a like. The like target for this video is just 50 likes guys. So anyways, let's begin. Just as how a strong building needs a strong base, you need a good base for a drawing. Okay, that was a shitty comparison, I know. Anyways, what I'm trying to tell is, if your base sketch or the guideline, if that is correct, your whole drawing becomes 10 times easier. So, how do you draw the base sketch? It's very simple. All you have to do is make a 144 quality sketch of your actual reference. Okay, what I'm trying to say is, draw an overview of your actual drawing. That's your first step. It's like you separate the drawing in two layers. The layer 1 will be your base sketch and the layer 2 will be your actual outline. Remember, you don't need perfection in this phase. You are just predefining where the parts of the body should go, like the arm, hand, face, etc. etc. Depends upon your reference. Now you have literally finished half of the drawing. All you have to do now is give the details. I usually begin with the eyes and the face. I feel that it is much easier to draw when you draw from the eyes. But yeah, it still depends upon your preference. If you have any doubt on how you should add the details, watch the video till the end. You will actually understand how I'm adding the details.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never.
Sometimes you guys may come across a really hard part to draw. For example, the hands. Yeah, I suffered drawing hands too, and I still suffer. One tip which I'd like to give is, don't try to draw perfectly according to the reference. No one's going to look so close into your drawing, guys. Just try to make it look according to the proper proportions of the hand or anything whichever you're drawing. So that's the important tip which I wanted to give you guys.
They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
So that's it for today's video. I really hope I helped you guys in any way possible. If you feel that I helped you, please do give a like and subscribe because I'm going to upload more and more awesome and valuable tutorials like this. Until then, see ya.